Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, some of the technology that we're using tonight is our live lightning tracker. We are tracking thunderstorms on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. It's a small little cluster essentially in the southern part of the state right now. Notice a good portion of our viewing area. Well, no storms at all until you get right down in here towards Newport right now where the weather is wet and loud. And again, we have our lightning tracker turned on. So every cloud to ground lightning strike, every bolt that strikes the ground is registered on our computer instantly. It goes to your TV set at home. So you see the little flashing icons, lightning icons, 1, 2, as is the third one to our north. So a few lightning strikes with this, some pretty heavy downpours in and around the Newport area right now and across the Narragansett Bay southern half of the state. This won't last very long. It's really the only show in town as far as thunder. However, the atmosphere or the weather pattern is unsettled now through the weekend, which means the risk of thunderstorms each day doesn't necessarily mean that each day is a washout where it's raining nonstop from sunrise to sunset. There'll be opportunities to get outdoors, but it's one of those situations where you got to keep an eye to the sky, especially during the afternoon and the evening hours. The high humidity will help to fuel some of these showers and thunderstorms. Air quality's a little better tomorrow, so there's no ozone alert for your Wednesday. Temperatures in the 70s right now. It'll stay in the 70s all night long, so warm and muggy, certainly a summery night. Satellite and radar composite shows one little round of thunderstorms that came through earlier this evening in northern Rhode Island, that little second batch forming to our south. But there's more activity to our west. Another weather disturbance will pass through tomorrow afternoon. And again, the chance for some thunderstorms. Some of these tomorrow afternoon and early evening could be on the strong side. Just watch the clock right here. We're going to show you the temperatures starting off this evening, and it essentially stays in the 70s all night long. All right, at 7 o'clock in the morning, it's around 75. And while I don't see extreme heat tomorrow, it will be very warm. Upper 80s to perhaps briefly near 90, not much higher than that, and a little cooler along the south shore. By 6 o'clock in the evening, it's in the lower 80s. Then by tomorrow night, we're cooling back to the lower 70s. Bottom line, it's a very warm and muggy night. Beaches, after some early morning fog, a bit of sun. Watch for a thunderstorm late in the day. Air temperature at 82, especially boaters on the bay, and especially late in the afternoon, the potential for some thunderstorms on a southwest wind at 10 to 20. So for this evening, an isolated thunderstorm, otherwise partly cloudy and muggy. Temperatures in the lower 70s. Warm sunshine tomorrow morning. Temperature rising to the lower 80s, and then during the afternoon, mid to upper 80s. And again, watch for the sky late afternoon, sometime after, say, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon for a strong shower or thunderstorm. Temperatures in the upper 80s. And notice right through the upcoming weekend, the risk of either scattered showers or thunderstorms. It's not as hot as the last couple of days, but temperatures are well into the 80s along with that high humidity. So it's one of those deals where you just want to keep the umbrella on standby. There'll be hours where it's not raining. Other times you get one of these downpours.
Okay, thanks, Tony.